Students, welcome back to Saraswati Sissu Kunj. Dear students, as we know, we have discussed the chapter 19 preposition in a grammar. We have studied some live sessions about this chapter preposition. Today here, one more video for the chapter number 19 preposition. As you know, dear students, preposition, it is, you can say, one kind of word that show relationship between noun or pronoun with another word in the sentence. And we have learned so many prepositions. If you remember, in, on, at, under, between, into, by, behind, beside. Okay? Dear students, so today here one more exercise for the preposition. Dear students, now you can see an exercise on the board. Underline the correct preposition. Dear students, if you see the exercise, in the brackets prepositions are given. You should find correct preposition for the sentence. Listen to me, dear students. All these prepositions were explained. As you know, in, it shows time, even place. Okay, at also indicates time or place. Next one is on. On also indicates place and time. Okay, if I say, look the first sentence. I met him at or in Mumbai. What will you say? I met him at or in Mumbai. What will you say? Can you say Mumbai? Mumbai is a place. You can say Mumbai is a place. So which pronoun will you use? Will you use at or in? You can say at and in, as you know. So when you use, dear students, when you say the place, okay, and if the place is a larger one, so you can use in Mumbai. Here in Mumbai. It's not at Mumbai. You can't say at Mumbai. You can say at station, at airport. Okay, at Basant Chowk. Okay, but you can't say at Mumbai. I met him in Mumbai. So the first one is in is the correct answer. Same way you can say, dear students, I joined the school desk. Okay, in or on 2015. So dear students, here in or on. So which pronoun will you, which preposition will you say? It's a correct one for this sentence. Will you say I joined the school in 2015 or will you say I joined the school on 2015? Dear students, here is given and it shows time. So you can write here in is the correct answer. Here second, in is the correct answer. You can't say on 2015. Yes, I joined the school in 2015. Okay, in 2015, in 2004. But if it is given here day, what do you call day? What date? Suppose it is given Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So you can write on Tuesday, on Monday. If it is given day, date, 21st, 22nd, 1st, 3rd, 4th. So you can write on 21st January or 22nd December, like that. So that time you need to use here on the day, on that. Okay, but here in is given and here is given. So you can write I joined the school in 2015. I hope you will understand. Let's see the third one. He poured milk in or into the glass. Now listen to me, my dear students. It's an action you can see. The movement, okay? Action of pouring milk. Action of pouring milk in, okay? So you can't say he poured milk in the glass. No. Okay? The movement you can say pour the milk into the glass. You can say into the glass. So here into is the correct answer. Okay? That is, I jump into the pool. I jump into the pool. Like that. Here answer is going to be pour milk into the glass. Here into shows the movement, preposition of movement. Okay. Next, Sudesh fought at or with me for over a small thing. So dear students, which is the correct one here? Sudesh fought at me or Sudesh fought with me? What do you think? So obviously you will say Sudesh fought with me for or over a small thing. So dear student, your answer is Sudesh fought with me over a small thing. You can't say for a small thing, but your correct preposition is over. Sudesh fought with me over a small thing. So that's the correct preposition. Your with and your over. Next, fifth. I am that. Okay, I am unhappy. That's with from your work. So what will you say? I am unhappy from your work. What will you say? I am unhappy with your work. My dear students, your with is the correct. I am unhappy with your work. I am unhappy with your task. Okay, like that. Next, waking up early is good. That's help. Of or for. What preposition will be correct for this sentence? Waking up early is good. Of or for help. So what do you think? Waking up early is good for help. As you know, dear students, here for it shows one kind of reason. Okay, waking up early is good for help. Same way, swimming. Swimming is a good exercise for health. Like that, swimming. Okay. 6 number, waking up early is good for health. Now you can see a 7, dear students. I am tired of or for waiting for the workman. So which is the correct preposition? I am tired of or for. So if you speak, you will get the answer. I am tired of. I am tired of waiting for the workman. So you have of. I am tired of. Okay. Cotton grows well on or in the black soil. So well, cotton grows well on the black soil or in the black soil. As you know, cotton plants. Okay. So your answer will be here in. Cotton grows well in the black soil. Cotton grows well in the soil. In the soil. Okay. That is the answer here. So my dear students, I hope you will understand 1 to 8. Okay. Please try to see the correct preposition for the sentence and underline. Okay. Now dear students, we will go for the 9th one. Birbal was known from or for his witty replies to Akbar. As you know, dear students, Akbar and Birbal, there are many famous stories that took place between Akbar and Birbal. And as you know, okay, Birbal was known. Now think in your mind, what will be the preposition? From or for? So what will you say? Birbal was known for his witty replies to Akbar. Your witty means with wisdom. Witty means what? With wisdom. As you know, dear students, Birbal was a wise person in Akbar's court. Okay. 10 number. Rohan is late. That's okay. You can say for or at work today. Look at him running after the bus. No. Rohan is late for or at work. What will you say? Look at him running after the bus. You can say look at him running after the bus. So here you can't say Rohan is late at work. You can say Rohan is late for work. Look at him running after the bus. Look at him, he running after the bus. Okay. So like that, your for will come. Okay. So let's see the time here. I am going home in or Diwali. So what will you write? In or for? So your right answer is for. I am going home for Diwali. I hope you will understand. Let's see the 12 number. In or on. You can see the on. We need to write the O capital. In or on this day, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born. birth of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So here the correct preposition will be on. On this day, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born. So my dear students, in the 11th number, I am going home for Diwali. 12th number, on this day, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born. So I hope, dear students, you will understand. So I hope whatever I have explained in this video, you will understand. So dear students, let me revise whatever we have understood from this video. So please, dear students, try to remember in your mind we have learnt preposition. As you know, dear students, preposition. Preposition means what do you call? It is a word that shows relationship between noun or pronoun. Please remember, it is a word that shows relationship between noun or pronoun. Okay, that shows the relationship between noun or pronoun with another word in the sentence. And as we have learned all the preposition, the main preposition you can say in. First of all, what do you call? In. So here in, it is used for showing time, showing place. If I give example, in, so in Mumbai, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the sun. Okay, next if I say in time, so here in, first preposition we have learned, that is called in Mumbai, in Ahmedabad, in Surat, in Baroda, in class 5, in class 6, like this. If I give more example of in, I joined this school in 2011. That is, next if I give one more sentence, my father has joined his new office in 2016. That's the example. Next, another preposition, if you remember, dear students, on. Here on, it is also used for showing time and place. If I say, if you remember, what is written on the board? So what will you say? The sentences are written on the board. So here on, it shows place on the board. If I say here on also shows time. If I give example, my father will arrive on 26th February. Okay, on 26th February. So here on 26th, what you can see? On 26th, so here on indicates time. If I give next one more example, he will submit his article on next Sunday. Okay, he will submit his article on next Sunday. Okay, if I give example, Sachin Tendulkar was born on 24th April 1973. So on. So here on, it indicates time also, on indicates place also. Next, dear students, another is that into, I-N-T-O, into. So here into, it shows a movement, you can see. Here you can see, we pour milk into the glass. Okay. I jump into the pool. So it's a movement of a jumping process, action. So that time we can use into. We can't use in. I jump in the pool. That's a wrong sentence. You can use I jump into the pool. He poured milk into the glass. Okay? Into. Next, dear students, another preposition, if you remember, dear students, preposition of time. Preposition of time we have understood, if you remember, in, on, at. Next is preposition of place. Same preposition of place, that's also in, on, at. Next, another preposition of movement. Preposition of movement, that you, if you remember, towards. Next, another is across. Another is, if you remember, dear student, into. These are the preposition that is for preposition of movement. I have already explained to you. I hope you will understand whatever I have explained in this video. So, dear students, now